Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest construction update from the all-new Ryan Field, the upcoming $862 million stadium for Northwestern University. It's been over a year since the groundbreaking in June 2024, and now the steel framework is rapidly taking shape. The entire bowl structure is expected to be completed ahead of the fall 2026 opening. Originally budgeted at $850 million, the project cost has increased slightly to $862 million, mainly to add one extra field-level premium club and additional luxury suites. The stadium is being 100% privately funded, including a record-breaking $480 million donation from the Ryan family. Ryan Field is being reimagined with 35,000 seats, down from the previous capacity of around 47,000. Why smaller? To bring fans closer to the action. The farthest seat will now be just 136 feet from the field, enhancing the viewing experience dramatically. Over 300,000 cubic yards of earth were excavated to lower the field, and 12,000 tons of structural steel are being installed. Next up, an innovative canopy system designed to focus sound and light while offering protection from the elements, transforming the game day atmosphere into something truly immersive. Now let's talk about the big picture. The new Ryan Field isn't just a rebuild, it's a complete reimagination. The design draws inspiration from modern European stadiums with a strong emphasis on community integration, sustainability, and fan intimacy. The outer facade will feature stone, glass, and natural materials, giving the stadium a timeless look that fits beautifully into Evanston's urban character. So why rebuild? The previous stadium, built in 1926, had aged beyond repair and lacked modern amenities. Northwestern saw this as an opportunity, not just to upgrade facilities, but to reshape the entire fan and student-athlete experience. With more premium spaces, improved accessibility, and cutting-edge design, Ryan Field is becoming a national model for what a next-generation college football stadium should be. We'll keep you posted with the next phase of construction. Be sure to like and subscribe for more stadium updates from around the world.